APC wants court stripped of powers to impose candidates. Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, chairman of the All Progressive Congress, has criticized recent judgment by the judiciary, saying it is not the duty of the courts to award victory to a candidate that had been rejected by the electorate. The embattled party chairman said the judgment had given insight into likely amendments to the Electoral Act to ensure that where there was a dispute concerning an election, rather than award victory to a different person, the court would only be capable of ordering a repeat of the electoral exercise. The APC national chairman spoke to the State House correspondent on the party's plan after meeting the president, Mohammed Buhari, at the State House, Abuja, few hours after the Supreme Court ruled on the application for a review of his own judgment brought by Emeka Ihedioha of the People's Democratic Party. He said, "What I think that we must discuss as a people, which concerns you and I as Nigerians who believe in democracy, is that the law should be amended such that no matter what happens, when people have voted, they cannot be dismissed as April Fools. You can't say that although you have voted and at the time you did so, you voted in good faith, believing that the candidates before you on parade were competent to be so paraded, and as a Nigerian voter you voted. Then at some other time, some other person tells you that the man you voted is not qualified, either because of error in his name or because of chieftaincy title or whatever reason as to lead to disqualification. That cannot be the reason why a man who was rejected by the electorate would be imposed on the electorate. The court should not impose. If the court finds out that the preferred candidate did not win, for me, the only democratic option, legal option, would be to repeat the exercise. Nothing should empower the court to impose a man rejected by the people on the people. That goes to the heart of democracy, and it destroys the fabric of our democratic process. So, in amending the Electoral Act, one of the things I like to see the parliament do, and we are going to make a representation, is that in the unlikely event that the people have voted in good faith for a candidate that was not validly put before them by INEC, and looking at the faces of the candidate they opted for a particular one, if anybody has any issues with that one that the people prefer and has sworn, the court cannot impose the person that was rejected. The very best the court can do is to order that the exercise be repeated, because in democracy, no other than the people can choose who governs them, not the court. For me, this is fundamental when it comes to who actually won the election. So people, and this is the news reaching us. This is as a result of the verdict that was passed regarding Ihedioha over the court case. Oshiomhole here is speaking out. He's gone to have a meeting with the president, Mohammed Buhari, to say that he doesn't think that the court has done the right thing, and he's asking that the court should be stripped of power to impose candidate. Wow, Oshiomhole, I can see what you are doing here. So he's calling out, he's giving reasons, and basically he has stated that if we say we're in a our country, we practice democracy, then it has to be vote by the people. If the person the people voted for they have issues, or there have been some discrepancies, what he's saying that they should allow the people redecide again, not just imposing somebody else on them. That's what he's trying to point out. That's what's bringing out here, that you shouldn't make people after they voted and you make them feel you just dismiss their vote as April Fools, to say, oh, the vote, what you voted did not count, and the court is going to decide now. So that's what Oshiomhole is saying at this time, and he's saying that they should give the people a choice to to decide again. So let there be a re-election. But Oshiomhole, don't forget that a re-election, so many things involved in all of this. So guys, this is what's going on at the moment. Oshiomhole is crying out that power should be taken from the courts, the Supreme Court. So guys, I want to say thank you to everyone that have subscribed. If you haven't yet subscribed, and please do subscribe and do press the subscribe button down below. Please do like, share, and comment. We want to hear your take on this. We want to hear your thoughts as well, and we want to get this conversation going. And please do comment. And so till I come your way again, I want to say thank you to everyone. Bye.